Today our topic is budget and budgetary control. Budget and budgetary control. Budget and your budgetary control. Now, two part is there. What is budget and what is budgetary control? There are two things. What is budget and what is budgetary control? So please write down budget is a please write down budget is a financial plan. Budget is a financial plan for the future. Clear my point? Budget is a financial plan for the future. Budget is a financial plan for the future. Budget, it is a financial plan for the future which relates to revenue and cost, relate to revenue and cost, which relate to revenue and cost of a business. Clear my point? Budget is a financial plan for the future which relates to revenue and cost. You will find the primary function of a business is to production, purchase, sell. Production, purchase and sell. These are the three parts which is called primary function of a business. Now we are related to production, purchase and sell. But the main object of the business, that means, as you know, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Sales is nothing but your revenue, but cost means whatever expenses related to the production to earn the profit is a part of your cost. Cost, as you know, your direct cost may be there, maybe your indirect cost. Direct cost may be there and indirect cost may be there. मैं इसको मिटा दे रहा हूं आपको समझाने के लिए. तो cost may be your direct cost, cost may be your indirect cost. Clear my point? Direct cost, as you know, direct cost means those costs which is related to the production. All expenses related to the production, it is a part of your direct cost. But once the product, direct cost means purchase of raw material, opening stock of raw material, money, factory fuel, power, gas, water, and whatever expenses is related to your production, that is always treated as a direct expenses. आप लोग फाइनल अकाउंट में कर चुके हैं. But Once the product is moved from the factory gate, then your indirect expenses is started. As you know, our indirect expenses, that is divided into four parts. Indirect expenses, that is divided into four parts. That is, first one is administration. First one is your administration. Second is your selling and distribution. Selling and distribution. And third one is your financial expenses. Financial expenses. Then fourth one is your repair, depreciation, etc. And sometimes research and development is also there. Research and development expenses may be there. So our indirect expenses, this is divided into four parts in general. That is your administration, selling, distribution, financial, repair, depreciation, etc. Clear my point? So budget is a financial plan, means all these are called your financial expenses. So budget is prepared for each department. Budget is prepared for production department. Budget also prepared by administration department, selling, distribution department. Each and every department will prepare their financial plan for a specific period of time. For a specific period of time, each and every department. So budget is nothing but it is a financial plan for the future. Means financial plan means this is nothing but your estimate how much expenses will be incurred to produce various articles, how much expenses is incurred for your administration, selling, distribution. All are called your financial transaction, and for each financial transaction it is prepared the budget that is meant for the future. Actual may be more or less, but budget always related to all these financial transaction. Clear my point? That is the meaning of the budget. Then what is budgetary control? Next, write down please, otherwise take a screenshot. Then comes to what is budgetary control? How budget can be controlled? Please write down. Budgetary control is a process. Budgetary control is a process. Budgetary control is a process by which financial control, by which financial control by which financial control is exercised within an organization, within an organization. Clear my point? Budgetary control is a process by which financial control is exercised within an organization. Within an organization. After your preparation of budget, your control process is made. This is purely internal part of the organization to achieve that budgeted target. Clear my point? This is purely internal part of the organization. Once the budget is made, then we will try to achieve that budget within the specific period of time by making proper control. Clear my point? In other words, write down. In other words, an estimate of income and expenses. In other words, an estimate of income and expenses for the future period of time budget is prepared. Clear my point? Estimate of income and expenses for the future for a specific period of time is called your budget. Clear my point? So after your estimate, you must control your all the expenses and incomes must be controlled in such a manner that you will achieve your budgeted figure. That's why budgetary control play a vital role. Clear my point? Now you will find our total organization as a whole. If you think how this budget is prepared, our total organization, it is divided into 4 parts: domestic organization, private organization. Clear my point? Domestic organization, private organization, then your government organization, then non-government organization, NGO. In case of domestic organization, we are not preparing at all any budget. Your income, either your salary income or income from investment or income from agriculture. Clear my point? There are different sources of domestic income is there. Then out of that income, if you estimate, then first we are investing our income in consumption of necessary item. Clear my point? First is consumption of necessary. If there is any surplus, then you will go for consumption of luxury. Income minus expenses is equal to saving. Clear my point? So in case of domestic life, we are not at all preparing any budget because we are not answerable to anyone. But in case of private organization, government organization and non-government organization, all organization, they are preparing their budget. They are preparing their budget for the future. So preparation of private budget is something different from your government budget. In case of non-government organization also preparation of budget, because their object is totally different. But each and every organization must plan, must estimate their income and expenses well in advance. Each and every organization will prepare their own budget, but the preparation is something different because the income of the private organization is your profit. Clear my point? But in case of government organization, their income is from different source. As you know, direct tax, indirect tax, fee, penalty. These are the different source of income, and the expenses is different project in defense sector, your infrastructure, telecommunication. There are different area is there. So they are invest. Their preparation of budget is different. But in case of non-government organization, their source of income is what? Donation, government grant. They are getting grant from other institution, and accordingly, project-wise they are spending. That's why each and every organization will prepare their own budget, no doubt. But preparation of budget is differ from organization to organization. Clear my point? Now we are only concerned with the private organization, that is how private organization is prepare their budget. As you know, in case of any industry, first you will find administration department, selling and distribution department, finance department, then your maintenance department, then HRM, human resource development department. There are different department is there. You will find production department also there. Production department. Each department will prepare or maintain their own budget. Each department will prepare their own budget. Administration department will prepare their own budget. Selling distribution department will prepare their own budget. Finance department also prepare their own budget. Maintenance department also prepare their own budget. Production department, each and every department will prepare their own budget. Clear my point? Now you see, in case of business organization, you will find in case of business organization, you will find जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, the object is to earn the profit, that is sales minus your cost. Sales minus cost. This cost related to your revenue and your capital. Revenue expenses and your capital expenses. Clear my point? And revenue expenses related to your material, labor and your overhead. But capital expenses related to your purchase of fixed asset. Purchase of fixed asset comes under your capital expenses or capital cost. Now, if you combine together, then you need cash. What you need? You must prepare your cash budget. Clear my point? Again, if you combine cash budget and all these things, then you will get master budget. Then you will get your master budget. So in this case, you must prepare material budget, labor budget, overhead budget, and if there is any purchase of fixed asset, then you will prepare cost budget, sales budget, cash budget, and your master budget. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। जनरली आप लोगों का क्वेश्चंस में मास्टर बजट आता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर मास्टर बजट बनाना है तो ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए। अगर क्वेश्चन आपको मास्टर बजट के बारे में बोल रहा है तो ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन जो है आपको बने बनाया क्वेश्चंस में दे दिया रहेगा। आपको सिंपली बनाना है। क्वेश्चंस आइदर मांगता है सेल्स बजट, नहीं तो कैश बजट, नहीं तो मटेरियल, नहीं तो लेबर, अलग अलग मांगता है। लेकिन सब मिला के मास्टर बजट कभी भी नहीं मांगता है, क्योंकि अगर मास्टर बजट मांगेगा तो आपको ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चंस में होगा। सिंपली आपको मास्टर बजट बनाना है। क्लियर माय पॉइंट? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट आगे चलते हैं। Then comes to your combination of all the budget. Please write down. Please write down combination of all the budget. Combination of all the budget is called master budget. Combination of all the budget is called your master budget. So please write down. Combination of all the budget is called your master budget. Then write down the main characteristic of a budget. Main characteristic of a budget. Please write down characteristic of a budget. Characteristic of a budget. So first write down, it is prepared in advance. It is prepared in advance. So budget is always prepared in advance. Second, it is for a long term. Budget is prepared for a long term. It is for a long term. Clear? Budget is prepared for a long term. It may be for a 6 months, maybe for a 1 year. Budget is related to future period of time. Budget is related to future period of time. Budget is related to future period of time. So these are the three characteristics of a budget. Next write down how to set a budget. How to set a budget. Next write down how to set a budget. How to set a budget. How to set a budget and stick to it. And how to set a budget and stick to it. First write down, know your income. बजट बनाने से पहले बिजनेस का इनकम पता करना जरूरी है। इनकम अगर आपको मालूम नहीं है तो बजट बनाना डिफिकल्ट है। इसीलिए सबसे पहले टू नो योर इनकम, टू नो योर इनकम, सबसे पहले आपका इनकम कितना है पता होना चाहिए। दूसरा, फाइंड आउट द फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस। आप लोग को मालूम है फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस नेवर बी चेंज, दिस एक्सपेंसेस इज फिक्स्ड इन नेचर। चाहे आपका प्रोडक्शन हो या नहीं हो, ये फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस खर्चा होगा ही होगा। सो यू मस्ट फाइंड द फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस। देन थर्ड वन इज वेरिएबल एक्सपेंसेस। Variable expenses. Variable expenses means once production is increased, your variable expenses very proportionately increase. Your selling distribution expenses, production expenses, administration sometime it may be treated as fixed, sometime it is variable. It is called semi-variable also. So you must find the fixed expenses. What are the different fixed expenses is there? What are the different variable expenses is there? Then next, review on monthly basis. रिव्यू मतलब आपको देखना है बजट के हिसाब से हम लोग का खर्चा ठीक हिसाब से जा रहा है कि नहीं। ये इनकम इज नथिंग बट योर रेवेन्यू। इनकम इज नथिंग बट योर रेवेन्यू और सेल्स। देन फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज कीप ट्रैक। ऑलवेज कीप ट्रैक। Always keep track. So these are the points which will be taken into the account before setting up a budget. Clear my point? अच्छा, next you will find budget control process. Next step is your budget control process. How to control? What are the different steps will be taken to control the budget? So write down budgetary control process. Budgetary control process. So please write down first one. Fixation of the budget period. Fixation of budget period. Fixation of budget period. Budget may be for 3 months, maybe for 6 months, maybe for 1 year. So you must fix budgeted period first. That is first one to control the budget. Then preparation of various budget. Second step is preparation of various budget. Preparation of various budget. Then third one is continuous comparison. Continuous comparison. Continuous comparison. Continuous comparison of actual performance with actual please continuous comparison of actual performance with actual. Clear my point? Continuous comparison of performance with actual budgetary performance. Actual budgetary performance. Actual budgetary performance. Clear my point? Budgetary performance. Next, write down revision of budget. Revision of budget. Revision of budget. Revision of budget in the light of change of circumstances. In the light of change in circumstances. Change in circumstances. Circumstances. Light of change in circumstances. Then comes to, so these are the budgetary control process. So these are the budgetary control process. Next we will discuss नेक्स्ट और एक पॉइंट भी लिख लो, बढ़िया रहेगा। और एक पॉइंट लिख लो, प्रिपेयरिंग बजट आफ्टर द प्रिपेयरिंग बजट आफ्टर द फोरकास्ट after the forecast have been finalized. Forecasts have been finalized. Preparing budget after the forecast have been finalized. So these are the different budgetary control process. Clear my point? Next we will discuss the advantage. इसका क्या advantage है? Clear my point? Why budget is prepared? What is the advantage of? इसका एक ही मकसद है, एक ही फायदा है. The main object of the business organization is to realize more profit. आप लोगों को मैं बार बार बोलता हूं कि profit is equal to your sales and cost. It related to sales and cost. If more is the cost, less is the profit. If less is the cost, more is the profit. Just the reverse. If more is the sales, more is the profit. If less is the sales, less is the profit. So that's why budget, it is a process of cost control. Whatever cost is there, that is decided earlier by taking the past expenses into the account. How budget is prepared? By taking past record into the account. So budget is always prepared by taking past record into the account, your future is predicted. Your future is predicted. Past record means past record of cost. Cost means your material, labor, overhead, capital cost. The past cost is taken into the account, and for the future budget is prepared. Like that, in case of sales also, your past recorded data is taken into the account, and sales budget is also prepared. You will find some of the product, ऐसा भी प्रोडक्ट है, कोई प्रोडक्ट अगर संबलपुर में अच्छा चल रहा है तो बरगढ़ में ठीक नहीं चलता है, कोई बलांगीर में चल रहा है तो इधर नहीं चलता है। क्लियर माय पॉइंट? ये सब सेल्स में होते रहता है, एरिया ऑफ सेल्स, ऐसा ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया बहुत है। तो कौन सा हम, इसीलिए तो हम लोग का टोटल इंडिया, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना साउथ जोन, नॉर्थ जोन, ईस्ट जोन, वेस्ट जोन, ये डिवाइड हो गया। एक प्रोडक्ट अगर वेस्ट जोन में चल रहा है, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि साउथ जोन में चले। तो कहां चल रहा है उसी के हिसाब से ही हम लोग को प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाना है। मान लीजिए हम लोग को सेल्स को बढ़ाना है, अगर सेल्स को बढ़ाना है इसका मतलब आपका प्रोडक्शन भी बढ़ेगा, मटेरियल कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगा, लेबर कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगा, ओवरहेड बढ़ेगा। हर किसी के लिए ये बजट बनाना होता है। आप लोग को मालूम है एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग होता है कंपनी में, अब कंपनी में ही डिसाइड होता है कि लास्ट ईयर कितना सेल्स था, कितना परसेंट आप सेल्स को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। मान लीजिए 20% आपको सेल्स बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, तो 20% के लिए आपका खर्चा भी बढ़ेगा। कितना बढ़ेगा उसके लिए भी आपको बजट बनाना है। ये था आप लोगों का थ्योरी पार्ट। हम लोग फिर बात करेंगे डिफरेंट बजट कैसे बनाते हैं। ये जितना भी थ्योरी था मैं थोड़ा आप लोग को दिया। आज के लिए हम लोग इतना ही करते हैं। आप सबको धन्यवाद, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मिलेंगे। Thanks to all of you. Stay safe. अगर किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो मेरे को बोल सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं। मैं